Like this dye would not come off my hands, and the magic eraser helping me get it off a little quicker. Here's a marker on the crib wood. The Mr. Clean Eraser is taking it right off. It's a little elbow grease. Same marker on the wall. Let's see. And this is coming out a lot easier. Just a little bit of scrubbing, and this Mr. Clean Eraser got it right out. Oh, slowly. Slowly, this one's working. Oh my goodness. I've had a hard time with this. I don't know what kind of marker this was, or maybe it was a dry erase marker. I'm not sure. But here we go. A lot of scrubbing. Mr. Clean is finally taking it off. After scrubbing for about 5 minutes, the marker is finally removed. Thank you, Mr. Eraser. So a little ink smudge. Let's take the Mr. Clean Eraser right off. When your kindergarten leaves the pencil out and your almost 2-year-old grabs the pencil and decides to write on your door. Mr. Clean Eraser will take it right out. Thank goodness. Here's another pen I couldn't get off with water. Now let Mr. Clean Eraser come. Takes it right off. Good, Mr. Clean Eraser. I couldn't get this off with water and soap. Let's try Mr. Clean Eraser. Yes. And I believe this is a colored pencil. Good as new.